People ask me all the time why I became a dentist. So here's the real answer. I'm Dr. Ashley Fagan, the owner of Luxe Dental here in Noma, Washington, D.C. Why I became a dentist? There's a few reasons. So, the main one, wanted to help people. I also loved Grey's Anatomy. I have always loved health and sciences. I wanted to be a doctor in the hospital until I realized the work-life balance. You're on call, it's a lot going on, and that kind of pushed me towards dentistry. I also have a father that's in the dental field. My dad is a prosthodontist in the dental field, so he specialized, but I used to love going with him after hours to the lab. And just like I love my dad, spending time with him. So that also exposed me to dentistry, and I started researching that route instead. And then, of course, wanting to make people smile, wanting to make people's experience great. I love to smile. I want to see other people smile, I want to improve their smile so they feel confident and comfortable smiling. So those three are the main reasons. Now, my work experience in the dental field has proven and shown to me that people hate the dentist. You hear it all the time. Like, I didn't hear it growing up because, my dad was a dentist. So once I started my dental career, you hear that all the time. You hear it from friends of friends, family members. I hate the dentist. I had a bad experience. And some of those experiences are very traumatic. I've heard a lot over the years. So it's understandable. So that is what pushed me to not want to open anything like that. Like, I didn't want a dental office that looked like a dental office, that caused stress, that the patient felt like they were just another number. They didn't feel heard. And that's how Luxe Dental was created. Again, I never wanted that office that people just did not feel comfortable in. So I was very big on the experience when Luxe Dental was just a vision. I never wanted to run a place that felt rushed. Patients didn't feel heard. So I built the complete opposite. When you come to Luxe, the first thing we do is give you a tour of the office, and we talk to you. We want to hear what your concerns are and what brought you into the office. I always, especially patients that are very fearful, I remind them that, you're here for an exam. We're not going to get started. We're not going to do anything that you don't feel comfortable with. So I want them to know not to be worried, to try to relax. I want to hear what they want, what they're interested in, what brought them into the office. So the conversation is very important. And when people feel heard, you start to see them relax. So what I love most is that moment when the person just exhales. They feel like, okay, like they're not going to do anything today. We're just going to talk. We're just going to see what you're interested in, what you don't like, what you're concerned with. And you can see it. Their shoulders drop. The patients feel comfortable. They tell me how they've been avoiding the dentist for years, or what their previous experience was, or what they're going through personally right now. Like, you hear so much. And that is why I opened Luxe Dental. Those experiences, that growth of my patients, that community is just words can't even express. So that's why the experience matters so much to me. The headphones, the drink bar, the weighted blanket, the neck pillow, the calming music, the essential oils, all of that is the point. It's not extra. It's because you deserve to feel comfortable and heard while you take care of your body and your health. We care for adults who want to be treated like a whole person. We all know our mouth is connected to the rest of the body, so issues and bacteria and things that are going on in the mouth can transfer or cause other or correlate with other issues in the body. So tooth replacement, tooth removal, aligners, sedation if you're nervous, all of that is part of that dental experience in taking care of your full body. So if you have been waiting for a sign or for a place that feels safe, this is it. Whenever you're ready, we are right here in Noma, and we would love to meet you. I am Dr. Ashley Fagan, and welcome to Luxe.